Okay, good day, guys. With this lovely lady right here by the name of Manpreet.
Hello.
How is it going today?
Good. How are you?
Okay, Manpreet. So, as you know, as I told you just now, I'm just doing this video so that persons who are thinking of coming to study in Canada can have probably a better understanding of what it is like as a international student being in Canada, right? My first question to you is, Manpreet, where are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay. And how is it like in India? I guess those thumbs up means it's like very fun.
Yeah, it's like totally different from here. It's very fun there. Like it's the home country, right?
Okay.
I was this year, but still we came here, so it's fine.
So how long have you been in Canada?
It's around like more than 2 years now. I just
Okay.
came in like January.
So how's it been? Like apart from being boring and all.
It's been like up and down, up and down. Like too much studies. I've been studying like 2.5 years now. One more year is there, so it's like good. Like so many opportunities. You have so many things to learn about how to live here by your own because you're gonna be by your own. Nobody's here to help you, right?
Okay, so pretend as if you're talking to your friend now, probably in India or probably somewhere else across the world, who is probably thinking of, hey, I'm gonna apply for a study permit to go and study in Canada. What advice would you have to give them?
So the first thing, the advice that I want to give everybody, just like get prepared for anything, like any situation. Don't assume somebody's gonna help you there, or maybe everything is gonna be good or fine or something. So try to be hard, try to work by your own, and really focus. If you're coming here for studies, really focus on studies.
Okay,
Yeah.
so is this something you'd recommend that they do?
Yeah, because I have felt by my own because I came here, I didn't know anybody here, so I have seen someone like even to find a job like or something when you come here first you are nervous, right? Because you are totally in a different like environment and stuff, and then you have to like find jobs, survive by your own, where you're gonna live, how like what kind of people you're gonna meet and like.
So pretty much, even though it's challenging to adapt and all of these factors, you'd still recommend that they come based on the opportunities that are given.
I think it's better to come to Canada, but like because like there are so many opportunities for the students, right?
Okay.
If you're gonna study properly, you are gonna get work permit or stuff, and like you can make a better future. You have
Okay.
to work hard, but still.
So two last questions is, what do you like most about Canada?
The most thing about the Canada, nobody is gonna say you, oh, you are doing this, oh, this is not that worthy or something. You can do anything what you want in a positive way.
Yes.
Yeah, nobody's gonna taunt you about that. You have your own personality, do whatever you want. And if you're gonna work hard here, then this country is gonna pay you back. I think this is the best thing about it.
Okay. And my last question is, what do you know about Jamaica?
Oh, Jamaica, I don't know. I have some friend from Jamaica, like a girl. She works with me at McDonald's. Sometimes she's like fine. The people are like good. I have so many people, but I don't know too much about Jamaica.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.